Hi, let's do 61, 2023, Form A, SHSAT. So a grocery store sells 1 gallon of milk for $3.99. The store also sells orange juice in a 6-pack of 5.5 ounces of bottles for $1.79. Suppose the store wants to sell its orange juice in a gallon containers instead. To the nearest dollar, how much more would a gallon of orange juice would cost than a gallon of milk? Well, so we already know that a gallon of milk cost $3.99. A gallon of milk cost $3.99. So please write it down. So 1 gallon of milk is $3.99, right? So we need to find the cost of a gallon of orange juice. But 6-pack of 5.5 ounce bottle. So we have a 6-pack and each bottle contains 5.5 ounces of juice. So 5.5 ounces times 6 is going to be 6 times 5 is 30 plus 6 times 0.5 is 3. So it's going to be 33 ounces of orange juice. But we know that 1 gallon equals to 128 ounces. So how many packs of oranges do we need to buy to make a gallon? So to make 128 ounces, we know that each pack is 33 ounces. So since one pack is 33 ounces, so we're going to do 128 ounces divided by 33. So it's going to, if I divide this, right? So it's going to go what? 4 times 3 is 120. 123, 4 times 3 is 12. 120 plus another 12 is going to be 132. It's going to be just above 128 ounces. So it's going to be approximately 3 point some package, right? 3 point some pack. But you cannot buy 3 packs. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is also 999. So it's going to be 29. So it's going to be 290. So it's going to be 8 times 3 is 240. 8 times 3 is 24. So 240 plus 24 is 264. So let's try with 9. Let's see what happens. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry 2. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 2 is 29. So we have a little bit more than 290. So, well, we need to buy 3.8 packs of oranges, but it's not possible to buy 3.8. So we have to buy 4 packs of oranges, and each pack costs you $1.79, as you could see. So that means 179 times 4. 4 times 9 is 36, carry 3. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 is 31, carry 1, 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3. So it's going to cost $7.16 a gallon of oranges. So what's the difference? How much more would cost a gallon of oranges? So you're going to have to subtract it, right? So $7.16 minus 3.99. So it's going to be 9 take a 16 is 7. So 10, 11, 1. And 4 take a 7 is, so the difference is going to be $3.17. Thank you.